How to join anyone on Roblox without being their friend. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join anyone on Roblox without being their friend. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Roblox. After you open up your Roblox, you'll need to search for anyone that you want. So just type in a random name or just type in a really random name. And after you type in a name, you should see their profile. Now, if you don't see the profile, let me just go back. These are not really okay. So search in people, and there we go. So after you search for someone, you will need to know if they are online or not. So if you just head over to someone's profile, if they are not online, you will not see any option other than add friend. So if you head back here again, and if their status is online, head over their profile. And after you head over their profile, if you're on the correct region, you will see a join button since they're online and playing. Now, I don't have the join button right here due to regional issues, but if you do not have such issues, you should see a join button if the person that you're trying to play with is online and playing a game. So yeah, you can just browse through it. You can browse through here. You can just visit their profile from time to time until they're online, and then just tap on the join button right besides the add friend button. And after doing that, you should be able to play the game with them. And that's basically how you join someone on Roblox without adding their friend first. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.